I love you guys. Thank you so much. You mean the world to me, and this is for you. This is for you. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an appreciative video. Thank you guys for 2024. Thank you for staying with me. Let's go and pack gifts for two of our subscribers. As in, these subscribers, they will even ask me, you've not posted today. Where is your video? We've been waiting now. Like, they monitor me. Like, even if I say that I don't want to post, these girls will say, no. And they even mention one thing, like, if they watch my video, YouTube is going to show the video to the world, and YouTube is going to pay plenty money to her. So today we make that plenty money. Let's go and pack gifts for them. This is an appreciative video. Like I said, thank you for 2024. Thank you for staying with me. I know that if you are following me, you're either following because you saw my video as very useful for your Canada trip, or that you saw a video of settlement tips that I said. And let me start with the Canada trip, Canada immigration processes. If you are following because of that, I pray that 2025 is your year. You will not miss that year. Your trip, your journey will be like a miracle that even you won't be able to explain it. I'll see you in Canada. Even if you are not in my province, you will send a message to me that thank you for that video. I'm now in Canada. I'm expecting hearts from you. And if you are following because of settlement tips, probably you saw my video of me driving tutorial, job tutorial, settlement tutorial, trips and everything in Winnipeg, and you're following because of that. I pray that God will settle you in 2025. All of your heart desires, God will do it for you. And if you are following because you just love my voice, like you just love the way I do my things, I pray for you too that everything you lay your hands on will prosper. 2025 is our year that we will celebrate more testimony. Do you understand? Like, plenty testimony, more money. God will settle everything that concerns us. You are going to be great in that year, in year 2025. So see you, and please, we have lots of other I have lots of other videos coming up for 2025. That, in short, right now, after my journey for the gifts, I'm coming back with a lady in Calgary that stays in UK too, so we want to compare both living in Calgary and living in the UK with Canada and Winnipeg. I hope you understand. So please stick around. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You mean the world to me, and this is for you. I hope I'm getting it, yeah. This is for you. Yeah, this is for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You know the way we do our things here, so that YouTube can recommend it. And don't forget, 2025 is our year. And that song is see what the Lord has done. That is your testimony in 2025. You don't have a choice. You just have to make it because you are following me. You get? If you don't get, forget it. See you in 2025, because after this video, the next video you'll be seeing is 2025. And I'm going to drop some of our dirty December videos that we did. Don't forget to watch those videos too. Thank you.
Can I read it from your eyes? Can we relate and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay?
please keep watching my videos. Let YouTube recommend it to the world. And 2025, please, let's get to 100,000. Let's get that placard. Let's get it done. It's possible, right? I know. So let's do